am Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief for Commercial Baking, and I am catching up with my friend, Brandon Heiser, President and COO of Roskam Baking. Hi, Brandon. Thanks for catching up with me.
Hey, how you doing, Joanie?
Let's take a walk. We are at IBIE 2022 in the West Hall. Brandon, it has been 3 long years. What has been going on with Roskam, and when you come into this huge show, what's kind of been on your mind?
Well, I think obviously the last couple of years, everybody's been going through a lot of things. Obviously, labor is a big challenge for everybody. So not only are we looking for things that, can reduce the need of those jobs that just aren't the most attractive or they're also the hardest to fill, but also who's been innovative and who's made this things that we've always done just a little bit easier and a little bit user-friendly, more user-friendly.
Right, so we're gonna see a lot of automation on the trade show floor. What specifically, are you looking at robotics? What kinds of things are you gonna look for in automation?
I think robotics is the obvious one, but also even just PLC user interface or things of that nature, again, that make the things that we normally do just a little bit easier to teach somebody how to do. Right, yeah. And where you don't have to be such an expert to run a piece of equipment. If you think about how we use our iPhones versus how we interact with a piece of equipment, make it more easy to, figure out how to get from screen to screen, things like that. To just make it a little bit more simple.
Okay, well, I really hope that you find some great solutions while you're here. I know there's 1 million square feet of trade show floor, so I'm going to let you get back to it. But thanks for catching up with me, Brandon.
All right, you bet. Thanks a lot.